So by popular request, so people have requested a video on how to take out the foam piece here. You would do that in order to allow your seat to slide back a little further. You know, now I'm 6'2", and I fit in this car pretty well, but I could use this little ½ an inch extra that will allow me to recline or slide the seat back just a tad more. So in order for us to do that, we need to do a bit of a surgery. So we're gonna peel back this carpet here, and then we're just gonna use a knife to cut out this foam piece here. And as you can see, I've already done this on this side. You know, the shape still looks the same, except see how now it's soft, it's not hard anymore. And like I said, believe it or not, removing this piece allows you maybe another ½ an inch of reclining space. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start with unclipping this door sill. Then I'm gonna undo these screws. There's one here, and that's gonna allow me to peel back this carpet just enough to get at this foam here. Alright, so let me bring you a little closer, just so you can see what I'm working with. Alright, see this square here? This is what I'm gonna cut out, and I'm gonna speed up this section, but anyway, here's how it's done. Actually, the driver's side is a lot easier than the passenger side. I don't think you need to remove seats to do this, but it definitely makes the whole job a heck of a lot more easy. Alright, this is the piece. So just removing that is gonna allow me to recline like ½ an inch more. But that's all that needed to be done. All I have to do now is put it back together.